Digital transformation has been driving data center growth and complexity for quite some time now. In fact, some estimates show that about 60% of the global GDP is going to be digital by the end of 2022. And this is according to IDC. The human and the economic impact of the COVID pandemic has added even more pressure to accelerate digital transformation. To survive and thrive, all organizations must completely rethink as to how they engage with customers, partners, vendors, and their employees, not only in a digital way, but with limited contact. This means every corner of the business needs innovative business applications and services. Public clouds are the most common answer to most of the digital transformation needs today. The cloud resources like the servers and the storage are owned and operated by the third-party cloud service providers, and they're delivered over the internet. With public cloud, all of the hardware, the software, and the other supporting infrastructure are owned and managed by the cloud solution provider. In fact, Microsoft Azure is probably a great example of that. But the big question is, are all organizations ready to adopt the public cloud as the de facto destination for their digital transformation needs? Let's find out. Hi, my name is Jayant. I work as a Senior Principal Engineering Technologist at Dell Technologies, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Jayant on Cloud. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. There are a number of reasons which are potential blockers for the public cloud adoption. These reasons keep evolving over time as new use cases emerge. So let me try and list some of the common use cases which are potential blockers for the public cloud adoption. Regulatory compliance. Regulatory compliance describes the goal that organizations aspire to achieve in their efforts to ensure that they're aware of and take steps to comply with relevant laws, policies, and regulations. GDPR and HIPAA are probably some of the best examples of such regulations. Data sovereignty. Data sovereignty refers to the concept that data an organization collects, stores, and processes is subject to the nation's laws and general best practices where it is physically located. In layman's terms, this means that a business has to store the personal information of its customers in a way that complies with all the data privacy regulations, best practices, and guidelines of the host country. Data proximity. Data proximity is also known as nearness of data. Now consider some of the use cases where the application needs to process the data then and there, like for instance, an AI ML application requiring high performance and low latency connection to the existing systems. Edge and disconnected use cases. This is one of the pressing use cases for many organizations today, where they're seeing an explosion of data in the edge. In fact, according to IDC, by 2025, 75% of the total data growth is expected to be generated in the edge. So while organizations are striving to consume infrastructure on premises to comply with some of the use cases like we discussed in this episode, there is a pressing need to optimize and achieve operational efficiency, embrace hybrid cloud as an operating model, drive business innovation by leveraging IT as an agent, and unlock new value from AI and edge use cases. All of which can be easily achieved with public cloud. So, how do customers bring the goodness of public cloud experience to on premises? Microsoft Hybrid Cloud has the answer to all such challenges. So, in my next episode, we will look at the building blocks of the Microsoft Hybrid Cloud portfolio and how some of the hybrid cloud products are helping organizations achieve their digital transformation needs